Hello, Mr. Blanchette.
How are you today?
Doing good, sir. Getting video up. Here we go.
All right. And your name, sir?
Guinea Silva.
Okay, hang on just a second and let me get your information before me. Mr. Silva, my name is Harris Blanchette. I am a justice of the peace here in San Jacinto County. You're in jail for the offense of driving while intoxicated, first offense, a misdemeanor class B. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking, making any statement or interview at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney, or are you going to get your own attorney?
Get my own.
All right. Let me make a few marks here on this form. I'm going to be sending you a form for you to sign showing what we've done this morning. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. Your bond has been set at $5,000. Any questions I can answer for you this morning?
No, sir. Can I? Well, I don't know if you got something else to say, but can I just bond out or
Yes, sir. That's all you need to do is just bond out.
how much? How much do I? I don't have. Do I have to give the full 5,000, or can I just?
Well, that's between you and your bondsman. If you want to contact a bondsman, have him put up his $5,000, or you can put up your $5,000.
Yeah, yeah. I just don't. I just don't have it on me at the time.
Well, you may want to talk to a bondsman and see what he'll charge you. You may have that.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else I can answer for you?
Um. Do I need to? You said that I'll need to go to court, right, afterwards, or?
Yes, sir. And that's what the bondsman's responsibility is. Once you make a bond, then the bondsman will let you know when your next court date is. He'll put certain restrictions on you for you to stay in contact with him, things of that nature. And as long as you do all the bond conditions he projects upon you, then he will stay good on your bond, and then he'll let you know when your first court appearance is.
Okay. All right.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
How are you, help, sir?
Yes, sir. Your name, sir?
Sonye, William Sonye.
Mr. Sonye, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of Peace here in San Jacinto County.
Yes, sir.
You are in jail, but you were out on bond for criminal trespass.
Yes, sir.
And the person who was on your bond, there's what we call a surety, has requested to be removed from your bond for some reason. And so therefore you've been rearrested and you just need to be bonded out again.
That's already been set up. I was set up to do a walkthrough.
Well, I guess they walked you through me too also.
Well, what happened yesterday, sir? The officer, I had to walk to the store, and I got a ride back, and somehow or another, it got around that my sister and my brother-in-law were out of town or something, and they called to do the sheriff's department to do a welfare check, and I had this warrant on me already. Okay, and they did the welfare check, and I've already got it set up to do the walkthrough, and next thing you know, here I am.
What they've done is they just served that warrant on you, and you just need to rebond out because the person that was on your bond has withdrawn from being on your bond. I don't know why. And so you just needed to be arrested and rebonded. So I can go through your rights again if that would help you. You had the right to an attorney. Do you have a court-appointed attorney, or have you got your own?
I do. I have a court-appointed attorney.
All right, so you already have that. Who is that?
I can't remember his name. It's in my phone, which is running around out here somewhere.
Okay. Well, like you said, you have the right, if you want to, you can talk to the police, not talk to the police. You can talk to the district attorney's office, or you can not talk to the district attorney's office. You don't have to talk to them. You can quit talking anytime you want to. And so that's the deal. You're still a citizen of the United States, correct? You haven't given up your citizenship.
Yep, yes, sir.
And you've not picked up any new charges other. This is not really a charge. This is not a new charge. You're just being bonded out on the old charge again.
What happened on the warrant thing is the girl heard what she wanted to hear. She was telling me my court date and whatnot, and I've already got it calculated. When I can and when I can't. I'm stranded. I'm down on my transportation, and I've got to try to rely on somebody else for my transportation. Well, I told her I'm not going to be able to make that. And she took it as me saying, I ain't coming. Next thing you know, she went straight and put a warrant on me.
Well, what you need to do is, like you said, all she's doing is protecting herself, and your job would have been to contact the court and say, "Hey, I can't make that date. Can you reset it?" And then you could have got a reset or something of that nature. I
Well,
don't.
I did, but it was already too late.
Yes, sir. Well, you know, I don't know. That's something you can get straightened out. I mean, they may go your bond again, but you just need to be bonded out. And your bond is still set at $1,000. So
Okay, so the walkthrough that I was supposed to do, nobody told me anything. The walkthrough is null and void, right?
I don't know. Just to be honest with you, I don't know who you had that agreement with. Who did you have the walkthrough agreement with?
Well, my attorney said that he had it set up, and the judge went on ahead and signed my bond, finalized my bond, where all I had to do was just walk into the police station or the sheriff's office and turn myself in and take care of the process and go on back home.
I'm going to give you a piece of advice.
Yes, sir.
You have an attorney, contact him. He's the one you should have contacted, or he should have contacted the court and said, my client can't make that date. Perhaps we could get a continuance. So you have an attorney, and you need to stay in contact with your attorney and let him handle all this for you.
Okay.
So try and get bonded out and then call that attorney and say, hey, this is what's happened. Help me out here.
Okay. Well, I requested to speak to him earlier today, and the microphone just got cut off. And I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, for a response back to me.
Where is he from?
Who?
Your attorney.
He's court appointed here.
Yeah, okay, I understand that, but he may be living in another area. He may be from Conroe or somewhere like that.
I'm not
And
quite
so
sure.
I don't know if he had other things planned or what. I'd just say try and contact him again.
Okay, but regardless of that, just going ahead and contact the bonds people, right?
Yes, sir. You just need to make your bond to get out of jail. You're not doing yourself any good sitting in the jailhouse.
No, sir. And I've got an animal at home that's medical, and that I'm sitting, and
Right.
this is just all really, really, really bad timing.
Sometimes it happens to us.
Yes, sir. And I'll have to rely on the sheriff's department to take me back home whenever I bond out,
Yes, sir.
if I can get that pushed on through.
Sure.
So if I contact the bond people today, I can get out today.
Yes, sir. All you gotta do is make that bond and you're out of there.
I love you, man.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I need to contact, well, you heard.
Yes.
Contact mom.
Yes, sir. We'll take a little bit to get Miss McGowan. We don't have her here yet.
Do you think she'll let you get her?
That's what we're gonna find out, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Sorry, good. See. Alright, let's go back real quick.
You guys got numbers for some, bonds people?
Atwood.
Atwood?
Atwood.
Oh, we okay? Judge?
269 all the way, 269 all the way.
He took a break. He's coming back. Here he is.
Are you Megan McGowan?
I'm Megan. I go to Megan Nicole, MEGAN Nicole McGowan.
Okay, Miss McGowan, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace.
Okay.
You are-
Judge McGee.
You are in jail for assault on a public servant.
Okay.
Do you understand the
Are they gonna
charge?
give me probation or what? Yeah, I understand the charges.
I'm not going to give you a trial today. All I'm going to do is read your rights and set your bond.
Okay.
So you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you.
Okay.
You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state of Texas.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to an examining trial, and you can stop making your statements at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yeah.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney, or do you want to get your own?
I guess get my own. I don't know. Toenails when I get out of here though.
Well, do you have an attorney?
No.
Well, let's put down that you need the court-appointed attorney. If you end up getting your own, you can cancel the one the court
What about
gives.
probation, Judge McGee? What about probation?
I have no idea about probation.
Can they put me on probation? Give me some probation or whatever?
I am not going to be the judge that tries your case. I am only here to read your rights.
Okay.
You're a citizen of the United States, correct?
Yeah.
Are you currently out on bond for any of the charges anywhere else?
No.
Okay. Your bond is set at $25,000.
25,000.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you were gonna put me on probation.
Ma'am, I'm not your trial judge. I don't have the ability to put you on probation. You'll have to make your bond or wait to go to trial. I guess we're through. She walked out. I was talking.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that, Judge.
Oh, I think that's a problem with her.
Yes, sir. It is. Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.